So what we're doing here is we're checking the retarder function. You can see here, initial push of the brake, very light push, and we've got stage 1 on the retarder. Okay. Flip that over, stage 2. So we've got the initial movement, nothing. Bit more force, there's stage 2 on the retarder. Same process again, there's stage 3. Nothing, nothing, good push, big push, there's stage 3. And that's us already into the foundation braking. So that should give us electrical braking to begin with, and then onto the normal brakes after that. And I've also double checked that when the retarder light comes on, the actual Renault brake light comes on as well. So we've got working brake lights and working signal to the retarder. Right, we'll give it a whirl. First stage, second, third stage, and off, second, second and first. So second and first are quite close. Cool. That seems to be working. Okay, so this is the warning light on the dash. Wee parachute lighting up there.